بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ آج ہم غزوہ بدر کا واقعہ سنیں گے۔
This was the first major war of Islam. This incident occurred during the blessed month of Ramadan.
سن 2 ہجری میں یہ جنگ لڑی گئی۔
Ladies and gentlemen, the law is not ambiguous here. There is a fundamental difference between right and wrong, and the defendant knew exactly which path they chose.
Badr is a place near Medina. The number of Muslims was only 313.
We fight as one. We are the protectors.
Muslims had very few resources.
But the faith was very strong.
O Allah, I ask you for your guidance, and I seek your help, and I rely upon you.
اگر ہم ہار گئے تو دین باقی نہ رہے گا۔
This prayer gave everyone courage.
اے اللہ، ہماری مدد فرما۔
They traveled with the conviction that Allah would provide.
In the name of God, we place our trust in you.
Hazrat Ali entered the battlefield.
The enemy's great leader was killed.
Muslims exercised patience.
The disbelievers entered the field with arrogance.
Allah sent down angels.
Forward for honor.
We come seeking your help.
The leaders of the disbelievers were destroyed. Hold the line! We will not yield!
Then the formal war started.
Today, our morale is boosted by our unity. With faith and perseverance, victory is...
Muslims exercised patience.
The leaders of the disbelievers were destroyed.
ابوجہل was also killed.
یہ اللہ کی مدد کا نتیجہ تھا۔ یہ اللہ کی مدد کا نتیجہ تھا۔
This victory changed history.
دھیبک ماں گئے ہیں۔
اللہ پر یقین ضروری ہے۔
Yes, we are the champions.
یہ جنگ ہمیں سبق دیتی ہے۔
The arrogance of the disbelievers was broken.
کامیابی سچ والوں کی ہوتی ہے۔
اللہ ہمیشہ مدد کرتا ہے۔
ہمیں بھی ایمان مضبوط کرنا چاہیے۔
One should walk on the path of truth. سچ کے راستے پر چلنا چاہیے۔
اللہ ہمیں ہدایت دے۔ اللہ ہمیں ہدایت دے۔
آمین۔ والسلام علیکم۔